Welcome to the $100,000 Blueprint, your strategic guide to achieving financial freedom. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey, beginning with setting clear financial goals. Imagine reaching that $100,000 milestone. It's not just a number, it's a gateway to financial security, peace of mind, and the freedom to pursue your dreams. But how do we get there? The first step is knowing exactly what you want to achieve. Let's start by defining your financial destination. Ask yourself, how much do you want to save and why? Is it for a dream home, early retirement, or perhaps launching your own business? Whatever your reason, clarity is key. With a specific target, it becomes a beacon, guiding your decisions and actions. Next, let's talk timelines. Setting a realistic time frame is crucial. It gives your goal structure and urgency. Consider your current financial situation and how much you can realistically save each month. Maybe it's $500 a month over 3 years. The important thing is to be honest with yourself and set a timeline that challenges yet motivates you. Why is setting a goal so vital? Without a clear goal, it's easy to drift off course. Think of it like planning a road trip. You wouldn't start driving without knowing your destination, right? Financial goals work the same way. They provide direction and keep you focused. But setting a goal is just the beginning. It's about committing to that goal wholeheartedly. Write it down, visualize it, and remind yourself daily. This commitment transforms your goal from a mere wish into a tangible objective. And remember, your goals are not set in stone. Life changes, and so can your goals. Be flexible and adapt as needed, but always keep your eyes on the prize. As we wrap up this segment, take a moment to reflect on your financial aspirations. What does $100,000 mean to you? By defining these goals with clarity and purpose, you're laying the foundation for a successful financial journey. In the next segment, we'll explore the importance of immediate action and how starting now can make all the difference. So stay tuned, and let's continue paving the path to your financial future. Procrastination is the silent thief of dreams. When it comes to achieving your financial goals, delaying even a single day can have a ripple effect that sets you back weeks, months, or even years. Today, we're talking about the importance of immediate action in your journey to saving $100,000. Imagine this. Every day you wait to start your savings plan, you're not just losing time, you're losing potential growth and momentum. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow through compounding, and the sooner you start building the habits that will lead to long-term financial success. The first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most crucial. By taking action now, you're setting the foundation for everything that follows. Think of it as planting a seed. The sooner you plant it, the sooner it will grow into something substantial. Waiting for the right moment often means waiting forever. So, why do we procrastinate? It could be fear of failure, uncertainty about where to start, or simply the comfort of maintaining the status quo. But remember, every successful journey begins with a single step. And the beauty of starting now is that you don't need to have everything figured out. What matters is the momentum you build by taking that first step. Start small. Consider this. If you start saving just $27 a day, you'll reach $10,000 in a year. That's the power of immediate action. Over time, these small amounts add up, creating a snowball effect that accelerates your progress. Remember, the journey to $100,000 is not just about the destination. It's about building the discipline and habits that will serve you for a lifetime. So let's break the chains of procrastination and take that first step today. Your future self will thank you for it. Stay tuned as we delve into the next segment, where we'll explore effective budgeting techniques to keep your savings on track. The time to start is now. Don't let procrastination hold you back from the financial freedom you deserve. Welcome back to our $100,000 Blueprint series, where we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of achieving your financial goals, mastering your budget. Now, when we talk about budgeting, it's not just about cutting corners or depriving yourself of life's little pleasures. Instead, it's about gaining a comprehensive understanding of where your money is going and making informed decisions that align with your financial objectives. First things first, let's talk about the power of money tracking platforms. These digital tools have revolutionized the way we manage our finances. By creating an account on a platform like Mint or YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, you can easily monitor your income and expenses in real time. Once you have your expenses tracked, it's time to delve deeper into monitoring your income and outflows. It's essential to know exactly how much money is coming in and where it's going out. Now let's address the elephant in the room: unnecessary spending. It's easy to overlook how small, seemingly insignificant purchases can add up over time. But remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation. As you refine your budget, consider setting specific spending limits for different categories. Now, let's recap the tools and techniques we've discussed to master your budget. By mastering these budgeting techniques, you're not just cutting back, you're taking control. So, as we continue this journey towards saving $100,000, remember that effective budgeting is your foundation. Stay tuned as we move on to optimizing spending habits, where we'll explore how to get the most value out of every dollar spent. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. And when it comes to reaching that $100,000 savings goal, this couldn't be more true. Optimizing your spending habits is a powerful way to accelerate your savings without feeling like you're sacrificing the quality of your life. Begin by identifying these discretionary expenses and ask yourself, do they bring enough value to justify their cost? Next, let's explore finding cheaper alternatives for necessities. This doesn't mean compromising on quality, but rather being smart about where and how you spend. Another effective strategy is to embrace the power of negotiation. Whether it's your cable bill, insurance premiums, or even your phone plan, many service providers are willing to offer discounts or better deals if you simply ask. Additionally, take advantage of technology to help you save. There are numerous apps designed to track spending, find discounts, and even automate savings. But optimizing spending isn't just about cutting back. It's also about being strategic with your purchases. As you implement these strategies, remember to keep your ultimate goal in mind. Every dollar you save brings you one step closer to that $100,000 milestone. So, take a moment to review your spending habits. Identify areas where you can make changes and start implementing these strategies today. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and watch as your savings grow. With each mindful spending decision, you're building a more secure financial future. And remember, this is just one part of your journey. Up next, we'll explore how increasing your income can further accelerate your path to $100,000. Welcome back to the $100,000 Blueprint. As we continue our journey toward financial freedom, it's time to shift gears and explore how you can increase your income. Imagine this: every additional dollar you earn can be a stepping stone to your savings goal. It's not just about working harder, but working smarter. First, let's talk about seeking opportunities for higher pay in your current role. Have you considered negotiating a raise? It might seem daunting, but remember, you are your best advocate. Start by researching industry standards for your position and gathering evidence of your contributions and achievements. Approach the conversation with confidence and clarity, articulating the value you bring to your organization. A well-prepared case can often lead to a successful outcome. Now, if your current job doesn't offer the potential for growth or increased pay, it might be time to consider a change. Switching jobs can be one of the quickest ways to secure a significant salary bump. When looking for new opportunities, focus on roles that not only align with your skills and interests, but also offer better compensation packages. Don't be afraid to explore different industries or positions that might seem unconventional at first glance. Sometimes, a lateral move can open doors to unexpected opportunities and higher income. Beyond traditional employment, consider the power of side hustles. In today's gig economy, there are countless ways to earn extra income on the side. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or starting a small business, side hustles can provide a flexible and lucrative way to increase your earnings. Moreover, side hustles can be more than just a financial boost. They're also an opportunity to explore passions that might not be fulfilled in your day job. As you explore these avenues, keep in mind the importance of balancing your time and energy. It's crucial to avoid burnout, so prioritize tasks and schedule breaks to maintain your well-being. Ultimately, increasing your income is about being proactive and open to new possibilities. It's about taking calculated risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. So as you ponder your next steps, remember that your earning potential is in your hands. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll delve into the world of smart investments and how they can further propel your financial growth. Together, we'll continue building the foundation for your financial success. Until then, keep pushing forward and believing in your potential. Welcome to the heart of your financial journey, investing wisely. This is where your money truly begins to work for you. Imagine this: each dollar you invest is like planting a seed. With time, care, and the right conditions, that seed grows. That's the power of compound growth. So how do we harness this power? First, it's crucial to understand the concept of compound interest. Simply put, it's earning interest on your interest. Over time, this can turn modest savings into substantial wealth. But let's dive deeper. Investing isn't about quick wins or chasing the latest stock trends. It's about making informed decisions. So, where should you start? Consider a diversified portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes. Now, let's talk about the long-term benefits of investing. When you invest wisely, you're not just building wealth, but how do you choose the right investments? Start by educating yourself. There are countless resources available. Remember, every investment carries some risk, but with risk comes the potential for reward. The key is to manage that risk. As you embark on this investing journey, keep your goals in sight. Revisit them regularly to ensure your investments align. And here's a vital tip: start investing as soon as possible. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has. In the end, investing wisely is about taking control of your financial future. It's about making your money work for you. Stay tuned as we continue to explore more strategies to help you reach your $100,000 goal. Remember, every step you take. As we draw our journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the powerful strategies we've uncovered together. We began by setting clear financial goals, understanding that knowing where you want to go is the first step in any successful journey. From there, we emphasized the importance of immediate action, because every day counts when you're building momentum towards financial freedom. We dove into the art of budgeting, not as a constraint, but as a tool to understand and control your financial landscape. By tracking every dollar, you're empowered to make informed decisions that align with your savings goals. Next, we explored how optimizing your spending habits can significantly boost your savings potential. Remember, it's not just about cutting back, it's about spending smarter, finding value without compromise. Then, we shifted focus to increasing your income, exploring avenues for higher pay and new opportunities. Whether it's negotiating a raise, picking up a side hustle, or even making a career shift, boosting your income can accelerate your savings journey. And finally, we discussed the power of investing. By letting your money work for you, you harness the magic of compound growth. Now, it's time to take these insights and turn them into action. You've got the blueprint. Now it's time to build your financial future. Start today by setting your plan in motion. And remember, every small step you take brings you closer to that $100,000 milestone. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us for more insights on achieving financial freedom. Together, we can continue to explore ways to empower your financial journey. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success.